Good morning, dear cadets. So, as you know, we are in the coordination compound, and which topic we were discussing? We were discussing outer complex and inner complex. Okay. So, in the last video, I taught you spectrochemical series. Okay. So, what is the importance of spectrochemical series? By seeing the ligand present in the central metal atom, we can determine whether it will be inner orbital complex or outer orbital complex. Okay, how it will be inner orbital complex, how it will be outer orbital complex, and what is the impact, what is the effect of presence of these ligands, okay, how they are contributing toward the particular type of complex, means inner orbital or outer orbital complex. How the presence of ligand will determine the nature of complex compound, will explain you. Okay, so just see here, I wrote here two coordinate compound. Okay, basically they are ion. This is hexaamine cobalt third ion. Hexaamine cobalt third ion. Oxidation state of cobalt is 3 here. Okay, oxidation state is very important in ion. Now here what is the name of this one? Hexafluorocobalt third. Hexafluorocobalt third. Okay, here NH3 amine is the neutral ligand. Here F fluoro is the negatively charged ligand. Just see. So first sentence you should write central metal atom. Okay, which is the central metal atom here? Cobalt. And cobalt, what is the atomic number? 27. Here also you should write central metal atom. Here central metal ion. Here also central metal ion is cobalt only. 27 is the atomic number. So first write the cobalt 27, their electronic configuration in ground state. What is this one? First S2, 2S2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4, 3d, 4s2 and 3d7. Calculate now. 10, 12, 18, 25, 27. Here also write cobalt 27, ground state electronic configuration. Same way. First S2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, then 3d7, 4s2. Okay. Now just see, make box 3d, others are not required, only 3d, 4s, and here you can write 4p0. Here also write 4p0. Okay. Now just try to understand. D5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4s, 1, 2, 3. Here also write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now just see. 3d is 7 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now 4s2. Here also write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here cobalt oxidation state is 3 positive. Okay. So now here what you will write? 3 electrons should go. So already I told you electron must go from 4s first. Okay. So just see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4s and this one 4p, 3. Okay. So 2 electron from here and 1 electron from here. So now ultimately it will be 2. Here 1, 1, 1 and 1. Okay. 3 electron. So 2 from 4s and 1 from here. Okay. So now means you can check also. 27 minus 3, that is 24 electrons should be there. So 24 up to here, 2, 4, 10, 12, 18, and now here what should be there? 6 electron. So just count up to here. What is there? 24 electrons should be there. So up to here 18 is there. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24. Same way here also you should write cobalt 3 positive. So same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 1, 2, 3. Here also 3 positive means same way. Here 2 electron. Here 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Yes. Okay, no problem. Now just try to understand. Now the importance of ligand starts. Amine is a strong field ligand. Okay, and fluoro is the weak field ligand. So in presence of, now here you write note. NH3 is strong field ligand, hence unpaired electron of 3d orbital get paired up. Okay, so again write here cobalt 3 positive. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 yes, 1, 2, 3. Now just see. So how many unpaired electron is there? 4. So in first orbital already paired up. Now these can be here. Okay, now this will be here. Now these two will be here, this one and this one. Correct or not? So now they have occupied here. Now 2 vacant orbital is left here. Okay, now just see. Now very easily you can decide how many amine ligand is there. 6. So you want 6 vacant orbital here for the formation of complex, and 6 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now just see, because of strong nature of strong field ligand amine, now these 2 orbital gets vacant. Now since electron gets paired up, now just check here also. Now here also everything is same only, no problem. But here note, what is the note here? F single negative is weak field ligand. Hence unpaired electron of 3d orbital will not get paired up. Okay, so they will be as such. Write down here cobalt 3 positive. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, this and this. Now try to understand. This would be 2 as it is. Here 1, here 1, here 1, here 1. Now they are not pairing up. Then what would be there? How many vacant orbital you want? 6. Now here how many are there? 4 are there. Now where 2 more orbital will come? So just see. Here what is there? 4p0 and 4d will also come. 1, 2. Here write 4d0. Okay. This is 4p. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now just see the name of hybridization. Now first decide here hybridization. What would be the hybridization? Here the name of hybridization is D2sp3. D2s4sp3. D2sp3. Now which d orbital is taking part here? Inside d orbital. n minus 1 d orbital is taking part. So it would be inner orbital complex. Here what would be there? Here just see. Again you write here 1 sp3d2. So sp3d2 hybridization. Now outer nd orbital is taking part. So what kind of complex it would be? It would be outer orbital complex. So who has made the difference? The nature of ligand has made the difference, because here strong field ligand was there, that is why these unpaired electron gets paired. Here what was there? Fluoro was weak field ligand, so it was unable to make them paired up. Okay, so they are as it is only. So now complex is forced to make available the 4d vacant orbital, or the complex means central metal atom is forced to take the help of nd orbital, that is 4d orbital. Correct or not? Suppose guest is coming to your home and space is not there, so you will take the help of neighbor or not? Just you will request to your neighbor that just 1-2 room please provide me, so that our guest can be accommodated there. Same way here cobalt is helpless, so it will take the help of 4d orbital. Just see, these are 4d orbitals. Okay, 5 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, only 2 are occupied here, 2 are involved, remaining 3 are not involved. Here what is there? They made, now suppose your house is big, but all rooms are occupied by family members. But since your house is big, home is big, so what you will do? Internal arrangement only you will do. So far what was there? Each room was occupied by each family member. So what you will do? That in one room 2 family member can be accommodated, so that one room can be made available to incoming guest. So that is the meaning of inner orbital complex. Here what is there? If you are requesting to your neighbor, so that is outer orbital complex. Okay, so this is over now. Now it is not over, basically means the role of ligand I explained you. Now just see. So the here you will write D2 undergoes, here just write undergoes D2sp3 hybridization. D2sp3 hybridization. Here what you will write? Undergoes sp3d2 hybridization. sp3d2 hybridization. Okay, now just see. Upper side, these area I will delete up to here. In both cases I will delete, so that remaining steps can be completed at a time only. Now just see what would be there. Now as such you write here this side, this one. So cobalt 3 positive, here 1 2 3 4 5. Now here 1 2 3. Okay, so now just see, here 2 electron as such you should write. Here also 2 electron, here also 2 electron. Now 2, this is there, D2sp3. now just see, here in the bracket you write 6NH3 ligand will form coordinate bond. Okay, just see here, write down here 2 electron donated by NH3. Here also 2 electron donated by NH3. Here also 2 electron NH3. This one, here also NH3 2 electron. Here also coordinate bond NH3 2. Here also NH3. Okay, now just see, 6 have overlap or not? they form coordinate bond. The cross sign means electron. Cross sign means electron. Now just see. Now complex is for this complex. Remaining thing I will write later on. Same thing you should do here also. So here what is there? Cobalt 3 positive. Here what is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here what is there? 1. Here 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now just see here. Here 2 electron. Here what is there? 1, 1, 1 and 1. Correct? Now sp3d2. Now here what is there? sp3d2. So now here what would be there? This one. Now here fluoro. Here what is there? Fluoro. Here also 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 what is there? Fluoro. Correct? No problem at all. Now just see here, just see unpaired electron is there, but here unpaired electron is not there. This complex is also ready now. Now what should be written now? Complex is for. Now characteristics of complex, that is the most important. No need to by heart anything. On the basis of that only will write. Now downside I will delete now. Characteristics of complex. So the first characteristics is you should write their name. The first thing is, what is the name of this one? Hexaamine cobalt third ion. Okay. What is the second one? Type of hybridization. So what is the name of hybridization? D2sp3. D2sp3. Now what kind of complex it would be? Inner orbital complex. Inner orbital complex. Okay, inner orbital complex. Now fourth one thing what you should write? Low spin complex. Low spin complex, because unpaired electron is not there. Fifth number, unpaired electron is not there, that is why dimagnetic. When unpaired electron is not there, then dimagnetic, because if paired electron is there, spin won't be there. Okay, so dimagnetic. What is the next one? Sixth number. The sixth number, unpaired electron is not there, that is why colorless. Colorless. Now seventh number is, what would be their geometry? Octahedral. 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 Make the shape. Now cobalt, octahedral like that. This and this. Now coordinate bond. Here NH3. Here also NH3. Here also NH3. Here NH3. Here NH3. Okay. Now coordinate bond. This is octahedral shape. Correct or not? This. Now here also NH3. This is octahedral geometry. Correct or not? This. Octahedral geometry is ready. Now write down their characteristics same way. First write down their name. What is the name of this one? Hexafluoro. Cobalt third ion. Okay. What is the second characteristics? Second characteristics, hybridization. sp3d2 type hybridization. Okay. Now what is the next characteristics? Next characteristics, this would be third number. Now which d orbital has taken? Nd orbital. Outer d orbital has taken. So outer orbital complex. Outer orbital complex. outer orbital complex. Now what is the next number? Fourth number. Unpaired electron is there. So high spin complex. High spin complex. High spin complex. Next number is paramagnetic. Paramagnetic. Now what is the sixth number? Unpaired electron. See, if unpaired electron is there, then colored compound. Now remember, colored compound would be there, but which color would be there? According to valence bond theory, we can't explain. We will explain this one on the basis of crystal CFT theory. So that is the drawback of valence bond theory. We can say it would be colored compound, but which particular color would be there, we can't say. So here just write colored complex. Colored complex. Now what would be the shape? Seventh number. Geometry. Octahedral only. Octahedral. So make the shape octahedral. This is cobalt. This. Now this side, this one. Okay. Now here F. Here F. This one. This. Here F. Here also F. Now this. Correct? Now this side. Okay? This is octahedral geometry. Okay? So just see. Now the role of ligand you might have understood now. Now just see how much difference is there in the characteristics of these two complex. Even though central metal atom is same only, but ligand is different. Because of ligand only so many changes have come. See here D2 sp3 hybridization is there, and there what kind of hybridization is there? There sp3 D2 hybridization is there. Here inner d orbital, that is by inner orbital complex. Now inner orbital complex means low spin complex. Now unpaired electron is not there, dimagnetic. Unpaired electron is not there, colorless. Here just see, outer d orbital is taking part. So outer orbital complex, high spin complex, so many unpaired electron is there. Paramagnetic, so many unpaired electron. Now colored. Any coordination compound can only be colored if there is a presence of unpaired electron. Then only what would be there? Crystal field is splitting. Crystal field already in the coordination compound I explained you. Not only this one, in D block elements also I explained you. For the formation of colored compound, what are the characteristics? There must be a presence of unpaired electron. So unpaired electron is there. Then only DD transition, crystal field is splitting would be there. So just see here unpaired electron is there. That is why they are the colored complex. But remember, valence bond theory did not tell which particular colored complex will form. Colored compound will be there, but which color, it does not tell. Now octahedral, now geometry you can very easily come to know. In this way, these two example is over. Now still some more examples are there. In the same way we can explain them. Dear cadets, in the same way we can compare these two coordination compound also. Just see here. Here CN is the ligand, that is the strong field ligand. What about H2O, aqua, that is the weak field ligand. Okay, same way you should write. Now here central metal atom. Actually it is ion now here. Ion. Which is the ion here? Iron. Fe. Iron is 26. Correct or not? Here also central metal atom. Central metal atom. Okay, so you can write here also ion. here also what is there? Iron 26. Okay, so now iron 26 in ground state. What is this one? First S2, 2S2, 2P6, 3S2, 3P6, 3D, 4S2, 3D6. Correct or not? Here also iron 26 ground state. What is here? First S2, 2S2, 2P6, 3S2, 3P6, 3D, 4S2, 3D6. This is ground state. Okay. Now just see what is the oxidation state of iron here? 3 positive. So Fe 3 positive. So 3 positive means it is better to make box. 1 here write 4P0. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 4S 1 2 3. Okay, so just a minute. Three D6 first write. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here 2 electron. Here also what is there? Make the box. 1 2 3 4 5. This one 1. Here 4P0. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here also what is there? 2. Correct? No problem at all. 4P0 4D0. Okay. Now just see here what is the oxidation state? Fe3 positive. Fe3 positive means 1 2 3 4 5. Here this 1 2 3. Now just see 2 electron of 4s and 1 electron of this one. So here 1 2 3 4 5. Now this will be vacant, this will be vacant. Okay. Now note should be there. What is the note? Cn is a note. Since Cn negative is strong field ligand. Strong field ligand. Hence strong field ligand. Hence in presence of it, unpaired electron of 3D gets paired up. Okay, so just see here Fe3 positive. So 1 2 3 4 5. Here 1 1 2 3. So now here just see 1 2 5 electron is there. Now only one unpaired electron will be here. Okay. Now just see what would be the hybridization. Just see T. Write down here Fe3 positive will undergoes here right undergoes D2sp3 hybridization. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 1 1 2 3. So now here what is there? This one, this. Now here what is there? D2sp. What is the name? D2sp3. So this one, just a minute, this is wrong. Here D2sp3. This side nothing is there. Wait. D2sp3. These are 2 electron. D2sp3. Here write D2sp3. Okay. hybridization. Same thing here, same thing you should carry out. Now Fe3 positive means what is there? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 1 2 3. Now 4D, here write 4D 0 2 3 4 5. So here what is there? Now 1 2 3 4 1 2 3, yes, 4 5, here 6. This is Fe3 positive. So 3 positive means 1 electron will go, here single electron. Now just see what is the name of hybridization. Now sp, here you should write note, since H2O is weak field ligand, weak field ligand, hence unpaired electron of 3D will not get paired up. So here what is there? Fe3 positive, 1 2 3 4 5, here 1 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. Now just see. So they will be as such, 1 2 3 4 5. Now what is the name of hybridization? sp3d2, sp3d2 hybridization. Okay, here write undergoes sp3d2 hybridization. Okay, undergoes sp3d2 hybridization. Over. Now just see here. In these 6 vacant orbital, 6 H2O ligand will form coordinate bond. Here with these 6 cyanide ion will make coordinate bond. Okay. Now just like earlier 2 examples. Now just see here. As such you write this one, Fe3 positive. So here what is there? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3. Correct? Now here as such 2 electron. Here also 2 electron. Here 1 electron. Okay. Now here. Now write down here 6 Cn negative ion will form coordinate bond. You can write like that, 6 Cn negative ion will overlap with sp3d2 or d2 sp3 hybridized orbital of iron and form coordinate bond. Okay, so now write down here. Now this one Cn, here also Cn negative 2 electron, here also Cn negative, here also Cn negative, here also Cn negative, here also Cn negative. Correct? Over this one. Now same way here also Fe3 positive. So here what would be there? 1 2 3 4 5. Now here 1 2 3. Now here what is there? 1 2 3 4 5. So now here what would be there? Just see. 1 2 3 4 5. Now what is the name of hybridization? sp3d2. sp3. Now just see. 6 H2O ligand will overlap with sp3d2 hybridized orbital of iron. Okay, Fe3 positive. So now here write H2O. Now here also write H2O. Okay, here also write H2O. Here also write H2O. Okay, here also H2O. H2O. Okay, now just see, everything is ready now. Now you have to write now characteristics. Now complex is ready now. FeH2O whole 6 3 positive and FeCN6 3 negative. That complex is ready now. Same way you should write the characteristics. So now let us write the characteristics. So the first you should write their name. What is the name of this one? Hexacyanoferrate third ion. This is negatively charged complex, that is by ferrate. But what about this one? Their name would be hexaaqua iron third ion. Okay, here what is the second characteristics? Second characteristics is hybridization, D2sp3 hybridization. Okay, D2sp3 hybridization. Here what would be the hybridization? sp3d2 hybridization. D2sp3 hybridization. What is the third one? What is the next one? This would be inner orbital complex. Inner orbital complex. What is the name of this one? Outer orbital complex. Outer orbital complex. What is the next number? Fourth number. Outer orbital complex, and here what is there? Unpaired electron is there. So high spin complex. High spin complex. Now high spin complex, paramagnetic. Unpaired electron is there. Now sixth number, colored complex. What is the next number? Octahedral. Here what is there? Fourth number, inner orbital complex, low spin complex. Low spin complex. What is the next number? Fifth number. This is, now just see, actually it is one unpaired electron is there. Okay, so you can't write dimagnetic. This is weakly paramagnetic. Weakly, here you should write weakly paramagnetic. Correct है, there is no problem. So weakly paramagnetic. Just write here weakly paramagnetic. What is the next one? One colored complex only. Colored complex, because one unpaired electron is there. Next one is octahedral. Okay, so just make the shape here. Iron, Fe, this, this. Now this one, this one, this one. Here cyanide, cyanide, cyanide. Here also cyanide. Here cyanide. Here cyanide. Here what is there? Cyanide, cyanide. Here also cyanide. This, 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 this. This one, this one, this one, this one. Correct? Here also what is there? Iron, this, 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 this one. Correct? Same way. Now here write H2O. Here also write H2O. Here OH2. OH2. Everywhere write OH2. OH2. Here also write OH2. 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 This, this, this one and this one. Over? No problem at all. So in this way very easily we can decide. I hope that you understood this one. So in this way the duration of video is also over. Now more than 41-minute video is there, but I hope that you understood everything. Okay? So in this way other compound, if it is coming, just by seeing the ligand you will come to know whether it is a inner orbital complex or outer orbital complex. But to know about the entire characteristics, it is better to work out all the steps which I have told you, because even if one unpaired electron would be there, then it will not be diamagnetic, it will be weakly paramagnetic. So it is better to work out entire steps so that you should not commit mistake. Remember this one. Most of the things I taught, little bit you practice. Thank you.